Okay, now I got your plan open in my copy of, excuse me, X7. And it seems to me it's pretty straightforward. You just go over here and, see, I need to be on this screen. I'm going to draw a polyline here. Let's see, I need to put that up against the house. Now I'm going to convert that polyline to a landing. And, we'll make it about not quite 7 inches below the floor level. We can make it floor level. Either way, it doesn't matter. Okay, there's that. Now I'm going to click on the edges. Whoops. Get out of polyline mode. Okay, we'll click on that edge, open the dialog, turn the railing off. With manual landings like this, you just have this part of the process back in old version X7. And we'll turn it off over here. And in front of the door. Let's see, no rail. Yeah. Well, there wasn't any rail, but that's okay. Now, it looks like it's a little high. I'm going to, on the plan screen, open it up. I'm going to drop it 7 more inches. Well, it's still right in front of the door. You drop it some more. Yeah, that's what I originally had in mind. And I could take this and we'll make the thickness 24 inches deep. You know, how you do that's up to you. And then now we could add with a click stair tool. Oops. Let's move that out there. And we'll just make that 2 treads. We'll make the 11's okay for that. Turn off automatic heights, and I'm going to make the top height 7 inches lower. And we'll use 2 treads. Yeah, I'm going to take that and go over the style and make it not open. I think it looks nice. Like that. Drag it over to the house. Copy that. Rotate. Use point-to-point move. Move this corner here. Boink. Boink. Put that right on the corner. Put this right on the corner. If I hold my mouse right, maybe they'll just... No, they didn't. Oh, one other thing. This large stringer against wall, I don't need that. Okay, I think what I need to do is click on that stair, use point to point, and get it exactly against the landing instead of close. I was hoping that would fill in. Well, maybe I need to put it in winders. I forget, I haven't done this in a while. Let's try that. I just don't remember exactly how to get those things to meld together. Let me just try that. No, that didn't work. Let me change the camera type to, yeah, I'm gonna, no, not that. I want the render type. Where is that? Doodle Battle. It'd be under 3D. Well, usually there's, well, in X10, there's an icon up here. Let's see if I can find it over here. Customize toolbars. All right, no, I don't think I want camera, I want render. There we go. Okay, that's the icon I was looking for. Oh, where'd it go? And gummit. I probably, when I put it on there, I wasn't in the right, yeah, 3D view. I don't want it. I want it in plan. Here we go. Okay. We'll put that in vector view. Yeah, I can see that it's not working. Maybe X7 doesn't do that. I know 8, 9, and 10 do. Well, you get the idea. I meant for those to meld together, but that's how I would do it. Now, of course, that takes up a lot of space, but code requires a landing by doors like that. And you got 2 doors right together, so it has to be a big landing. Okay, well, that's all I got for you. I hope that helps you. Thank you. Bye.